Good morning. Hey, welcome everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning, chat. Great community. Good evening. Happy to see you on a beautiful start of the week. Great goals, great achievements. I wish you the best, guys. Looking forward to finding out more what's happening in the markets. How are we going to trade? And having a great time, of course. We're live. Like the video, guys. Come on. We're live. And make sure to sign up for the giveaway. And at the same time, you'd like to invite your friends. Our community is right here. Invite your friends. Invite your community members. We're ready to fly. How have you been, guys? How do you enjoy your time during the weekend? Plenty of things to discuss, right? Plenty of things to discuss. Evening. Welcome, guys. Hey. Really good. As usually, I'm a family guy. I like to spend a lot of the time in my inner circle. And it was as usually. I've liked my routine. I built it, so I crafted the routine I have, so I'm really enjoying it. I don't need things that are standing out of the situation that I created and the way I live. So I'm happy about the current situation, guys. And obviously I wish you the same, to find peace, balance in your lives. And a lot of the freedom. Freedom in decision, strength, power. Very important from my standpoint. Let's just share the presentation with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Let's not forget about our Discord, guys. We're live. And the giveaway sign up. Today's low, is that a good target? Around the 22? What do you guys think about for Nasdaq? Because I'm shorting the markets here.
Order filled.
And I'm looking forward to discovering more with that. All the way down to 22. Good morning, guys. Welcome. Adding a little more to this.
Order filled.
And also opening the same position with 2 contracts on my tap
Order
one.
filled.
Tap one and Lucid. We're trading our Lucid 150k direct account right now. And obviously we're going for our strong target on 1008. Oh. That was a pretty aggressive buy-in. We have our today's low so close to us. And the downtrend we started is still significantly respected. I'd like to see what we can grab out of this, guys. Make sure to like the video, guys. Like the video, sign up, and join the Discord. You gotta join the Discord to be able to participate in a giveaway. You certainly want to be part of our Discord community. Interesting buying pressure on the 1 minute. We were in a complete downtrend for the past couple of hours. But there is a denial of accepting the price section above 100s. Right? I'm shorting on my Ticktick Trader a single contract. And we might get subbed out here at 1,500 on our Lucid. We're very close to that.
Order filled.
Yeah. We got stopped out. Daily stop loss. Certainly.
Order
they
filled.
did get the notification. You're right. I wasn't thinking about it. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you on board. Let's just hit the target relentlessly. We got to do the 500 bucks here on my Ticktick. You know why? Because I guess this would be point number 5. 2 more days would be needed, and we would actually hit our $10,000 payout. Yep. We've catched the top with the Ticktick Trader one. In such conditions, usually market needs a pretty strong reason. Today's low pre-opening would be lovely. Bring it down. Bring it down. Just a little more. I'm putting my break even. Come on. We're gonna hit our target there, guys. There's a 1 minute gap there.
Order filled.
And it has been filled. Celebration time. Because this is the 5th point, guys. This is the 5th point, guys. Celebration time. Look at that one. Boom. That's a beautiful way to start off. 5 points on Ticktick Trader, 2 more points needed, and we go $10,000 payout. We're basically copy trading 5 accounts here. Wow, that feels great, guys. That feels great. Here's our giveaway page. Yeah, Ticktick Trader right now is running their Black Friday promotion. 280 bucks for an account. Tremendous value. Let me share with you the link for those of you that care. Thank you, guys. The account that I had for live touched the max loss. I had a $5,000 loss for the account. For the live, 5,000 bucks. And I had a daily loss of 1,500 that I personally set it up. And basically, I've touched my daily loss of 1,500 on 3 days in a row, which is unbelievable. Like, that kind of thing didn't happen in sim-funded environment. So I touched that one on live, and we've kind of lost. So stopped basically at 5 grand. And we resumed trading our sim accounts, right? or straight to funded accounts. We resume them trading once the live account has been finished. 5 days, a really good experience. For the first cycle, you need 10 days. For the second cycle and upcoming ones, you need 7 days, 7 points. 1 point is from 500 bucks. Right, we have 5,800. You can only gain a single point a day maximum. Yes. You can get back to your straight to funded, especially to the ones that you still had, because the ones that I'm trading right now, all the 5, let me share with you based on months. In October, we traded them. In September, we traded them. Basically, these are the accounts that we used to make the money needed for the live transitioning. And it's crazy because on the live transitioning, I had 3 days like this in a row. From the beginning, after we cashed out the 500 bucks that we gave out to the community, the very next 3 days, so we had our first day positive, we cashed out to give that money to the community. And then the very next 3 days were like this. And I don't even have anything like that, near to that, in my whole trading experience on the SimFunded page. Crazy. But we're going to get back to the live stage, not an issue. I think it's 7 days. If you're on the same accounts, it's 7 days. We're going to find it out. We're going to find it out. Because we're day number 5 today. 6, 7. Maybe I can reach 7 points this week. I mean, even with 2 daily max losses of 1,500, I would still be in a good shape with that. Right? We would still be in a good shape with that one. Because we have a lot of buffer. 5,800 right now. Thank you, guys. Yeah. All the companies will get removed on Project X. Oh, I forgot about this trade, guys. I forgot about this trade. Oh my god. We made too much money. We don't need to make more than 530 bucks. I'll put a stop loss on 530 and let this one run. But we made too much money. I forgot about this trade on top one. 2 accounts connected or Ignite. I totally forgot about it. Look at that one. Oh my god. Yeah, 10 instant funded at Ticktick Trader right now is a top solution. Is top solution. Certainly much better instant funded than evals. I mean, with evals, Lucid Trading is great. Even with the instant funding side with the Lucid Direct. Currently, it's our top firm. A lot of the people prefer Lucid. Here are the test Lucid Direct accounts. Top-notch company Lucid pays out in a couple of minutes. Great rules. And for the Lucid Direct, I mean, let me tell you something. You can have 5 maximum Lucid Direct accounts of 150k and you get basically $3,000 path. And your second target is only 4.5%. That's the biggest deal out there. Let me just share with you guys the links for those of you that are not having it. So for the Lucid Direct, for the instant funded, let me share with you. So Lucid Direct payouts. Are we still making money on that one? Here is it. Profit goal for the 150k direct accounts. First cycle is 6%, and that's kind of the industry standards. But then second cycle is at 3%. It's just 4,500 bucks target, and you take out $3,000, and you can take 3 grand from 5 accounts. That's great money. That's unbelievable. So Lucid 150k direct accounts are insane. Let's see, did we just touch that one? Yeah. We make that 500. We need 500 for the target here. The rules are very simple, extremely clear. The company is top notch right now, advancing with high speed, and people prefer them as a very, very stable trading environment. So Lucid is insane. It's 30% right now, the biggest discount available on any Lucid Direct accounts. And in terms of the other models, they have their tests. It's 66 bucks right now. Look at that. We're making money instead of losing this one. But I'm going to leave it open, guys. I'll leave it open as much as today's low, around the 20s. And then I'll do something to lose that money, because we don't need it for the consistency. It is what it is. Right, so back to the Lucid discussion. They're oh, where is it? Where's my Lucid? Here's my Lucid. Their new product of $25,000 account test, $66. You grab 5 of this, you pass the challenge, and then you can take out basically 5 accounts of 25k is costing you 330 bucks, and you can take out $5,000. So the distance between 330 and 5,000 is the edge you have with this model accounts. We're gonna double in size right now.
Order filled.
For minis. The maximum is 5 contracts.
Order
Let's
filled.
buckle up once again. Hopefully this is not going to drop. Even though that today's low is very, very attractive for the price action. Very attractive. Good day everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I'm limited to 5 contracts. It's not possible to add more than 5. And it's dropping. And we're making money. Yeah, but I'm limited to the number of contracts. 5 contracts is the limit size. I can't have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because then you just keep adding till it hits your stop loss. If you have unlimited sizing possibilities. If they're taking down to another 25 points, they're gonna make a lot in this. 4,000 bucks. I'm not closing because I'm simply leaving this one open. I need only $500 here, guys. I don't need more. You know, I could close it out and long the markets, right? And lose while it's still gonna drop. Good morning, welcome guys. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. We might do 5 grand here. Let me connect on my other pro accounts on Lucid. Stop profit around the 23, 5 grand. We only need 550. I'll have a huge job to lose $4,300 afterwards. We're gonna have a difficult time doing that. If it slides to the 20s, we'll have to lose 4,300 bucks. With 5 contracts, that's possible on the opening, right? Yeah. Happy to see you on board, guys. Yeah. We're gonna find solutions, guys. We have a few months, but we're gonna work it out and find the best solutions for us. Certainly, I'm gonna help you. Yeah. Not moving stop down because I do not need more than $500. Yes, I made my money on pre-markets. We made $65,000 in payouts in 2 months on pre-markets. That's where I trade 90% of the time. My success rate is on pre-markets. Whatever happens after the opening, I'm totally different, and I'm certainly not enjoying that much. The Lucid campaign is going to be till 26th, guys, right? So the current campaign, 30% on the direct accounts, 40% on the other ones, is until 26th of November. Lucid is not changing their campaign till 26th. Look at that one, guys. We're making that money while we don't need it. It looks great, right? It looks great, but we don't need that money, guys. We need for consistency $500. If I leave it like this on a 4,000 day, there's no way. Look at that one. Let's put it like that.
Order filled.
$4,000. We're going to celebrate, guys. There you go. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. Touching 4,000 bucks here. We touch our target on a Ticktick 500 on 5 accounts. So we copy trade 2 more days. And we are taking $10,000 payout from Ticktick. But the problem here for my top 1 accounts here, I don't need this much, guys. I have to lose right now 3,400 bucks. I need to lose $3,400. So the ones that are joining the stream while I'm trying to lose will call me an idiot. Yeah, we're trying to find the best solutions, guys, available. Certainly. We're going to go for the best solutions available for our great community, replacing Project X. If I keep it, it's a disaster. If I keep it, I need to make 20,000 for the payout. 20,000 more. you know, let's try to keep it, guys. Let's try to keep it. I mean, that's also an idea. Let me ask you in the chat. Let me ask you. Let me just create a pool. Should I keep it or lose? I just ask you in a pool right now. Let me know, guys, what do you think about? This is Tap 1 Futures, where I'm trading right now. No, I'm not moving to Top Step. No. Let me see what you guys think about in the votes. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the votes. Should I keep it? But let me tell you. Do you know how much money do I need to do if I keep this? These accounts are very old. Let me share with you the stats. So look at November stats. They're very old accounts. Look at that. It was a profitable month in October. It was a profitable September. So we were trading this account since September. And these accounts are the old first version Ignite accounts. Since that, they stopped these accounts from being sold. They made a second version of the account, of the Ignite, which is total different because the second version was having 15% consistency. The first version that I'm trading here had an equity stability score, an ESS, not a consistency, which also counts your losses. In which way? Well, we have our highest loss. We got to count our highest loss. 1,100 on this page. 1,000. That's our highest loss. 1,100. No, 1,500 is our highest loss. Let me tell you exactly how much. The highest loss as a positive number, 1,519 plus 3,991. Exactly from the 10th and from the 17th. These are the biggest values. You have to consider adding them together as positive numbers. And it's 5,510 times 5. That's how much I have to do. 5,510 times 5. 27,550. And I got 7,500. So I would need an extra. $20,000 here. If not, what's the difference? 1,519 plus my highest day around 530s. 1,519 plus 530s as my highest days, probably around that one, times 5. We need to do like 10 grand. No, this is ESS, 20%. Equity stability score, not consistency, guys. And you know what's the payout here? Do you actually know what's the payout on this account? $1,000 is the payout. $1,000. So do you guys want me to make 27,550 for 1 grand payout? You know, I might just make a lot more than what we're looking at. Let me just long the markets here. 5 contracts.
Order filled.
We made a new low, but we have long the markets here on 5 contracts. And watch this one going all the way back to the 100s. I'll put my stop loss on break even. Watch this one going all the way to... I mean, it's easy to lose it. There is consistency, yes. These accounts have equity stability score, 20% equity stability score. I'll lose the money, guys. But instead of losing, we're making money because we have longed at the right place. It was pretty much obvious, right? We would actually go up from there. Watch this one going all the way into 100s. I'm leaving it open for the moment. I'm actually making fun of myself right now. I like to see 10 grand here and then I start losing. Let me make $10,000 and then I'll start losing, guys. No, it cannot kill your consistency because you can lose the money. You can always lose the money, guys. Submit a form for the giveaways. Submit a form to participate. Good morning, guys. Welcome. At the opening, it's not hard to lose $5,000 with 5 minis. 5 minis is basically $100 a point. 50 points, you have 5 grand, right? It's not hard at the opening to lose 5 grand with 5 points, 5 minis. Tap 1 is the... No, Tap 1 is not having equity stability score on all the accounts model. Today, they no longer have this accounts. Look at that one, guys. We're making more and more money. I'm out here because I think there is a potential top. 6,300. Let's celebrate, guys. And I'll explain you with a Tap 1. Let's celebrate. Boom. This is dirty money, right? How easy it is to make money when you don't need it. So, Tap 1 futures no longer have those accounts. Ignite. No longer. They used to be here. No longer have those accounts. They were only testing those accounts. The instant SIM fund that is end of the day drawdown, the SIM Pro accounts are intraday. Coupon code Scramble gives you bigger discount than they are giving. Right? So the instant is end of the day and this is intraday. All consistency. All of them. 20% consistency. And on the other side as well, for the SIM Pro, for the intraday, is 20% consistency, right? Tap 1 is a top-level company, paid out basically more than $17 million. We made with them more than 45 grand. I'm gonna short it from here.
Order filled.
I don't need money. Cheers, everyone. Let's make a couple of extra bucks here. Yeah. Today I'm going to talk with IRM prop firm CEO today. I have a call in 4 hours from now, and I'll give you my point on that. But today I'm going to speak with their CEO on a Zoom conversation or a Google meeting, or what is it? Before we talk about any partnerships or anything like that with a company, I like to talk with their CEO, guys. So I'm going to speak with their CEO and see how the business is going from multiple standpoints. Do my due diligence, verification, research before I present to you anything, guys. Exactly. YRM. I'm speaking with their CEO today. Yes. I'm out of this trade.
Order filled.
4,000. We still need to lose more 3,500. BTC got into the today's low. We might be going straight into the 120s of resistance here. Yes. Because of the equity stability score with my Ignite, I gotta lose 3,500. I need 500 bucks, guys. Consistency, equity, stability score, you know those things. But very important today, very important, is we got our 5th point on Ticktick Trader. 5th point. 2 more. Two more needed. And we're taking $10,000 payout. This is happening on 5 accounts. Let me long
Order
this here,
filled.
guys. I need to do like 10,000. If I lose this money and just end up with 500 bucks profit today, I need to do 10,000 on the account. But I have to lose today's margin profits. And it's still running. Probably all the way into 85. I don't want to lose in this trade, guys. It looks good. It actually looks good, right? It actually looks good, 4,000 there. I don't have the feeling of giving it back, but I got no choice. I got no choice, unfortunately.
Order filled.
So 69% of you said to keep the money. But I done the math. If I keep the money, I have to do insane amount. I'm gonna blindly trade on this one till I get to the point. What we do here, we're gonna long it.
Order filled.
Bring it down. This is the place to test a long.
Order filled.
On a Lucid Pro accounts. We have some Lucid Pro accounts where we made 900 bucks in a day. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful entry on my Pro account. Look at that. And I'm out.
Order filled.
$463. Celebration time. That's an important day. This was an evaluation. We passed the evaluation for Lucid Pro. And now we're trading. This was the 2nd day. Boom. Celebration time. That was a great one. Look at that. We had our first day on Friday. We're copy trading 2 accounts of 50k here. 800 and today 463. I'm gonna lock myself out. Lock myself out nicely. That's good money there on these 2 accounts. But we started to make more here on a tap one. How do you have to make after building that buffer? Is it possible with Lucid? You have buffer on Lucid evaluation that you're passing becomes Lucid Pro. It's a funded stage of the evaluation, right? Lucid Pro, and you got a buffer for the Lucid Pro, which is not much at all. This might be the time it goes down, right? It's not looking bullish, so we're in a good trade. We need to lose that money. We don't need that money, guys. I do have a video about Lucid explaining. I actually have a lot of the videos related with Lucid. Make sure to like this one, everyone. Like the video. And sign up for the giveaways. We're 175 and only 78 likes. Everyone, if you want to participate in the giveaways, you got to like the video and join Discord. You got to like the video and join Discord. Absolutely mandatory for the giveaways. Come on. 80 likes and 175 people.
Order filled.
Testing out a single contract long here. We don't have that much of a buffer, only like $700. You know why we're longing it here, right? If that holds, we're making good money. All the way to the wick here. I don't request more than 85. We did have some buying pressure stepping in earlier. And nicely we were just grabbing the liquidity prior to this. Beautiful. It's a good spot here to test out along. We're doing giveaways daily, we're streaming daily.
Order filled.
Adding one more contract here.
Order
and one
filled.
More. 3 contracts long for the Lucid. For our top one, well, we're gonna lose the money at the time, basically. Market opens, it's a lot easier, right? With $100 a point, you can lose 5 grand pretty quickly. Even 3,500 pretty quickly. 5 minutes, that's $100 a point. No. If this is not reacting here, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Whoa.
Order
I'm
filled.
adding another one.
Order filled.
Nah. It just came back. There is not much distance left here, $170. And also this is in a situation that Yeah, sure, but we're gonna make it as fun as possible, guys. I mean, eventually losing money is easy. You just open up and closing out on your trades. You gotta respect that 10% rule for the top one. Microscoping 10%. No, Savius is 256, but it's not buy one, get one. No, that promotion ended. Right now, Savius is 60% off. Right, so 60% off. The buy one, get one for free ended. And at the time you bought one and you got one for free, it was not discounted. It was at a full price. We're going to trade Savius today, by the way.
Order filled.
We're going to trade Savius today, by the way. I still believe we're going to touch this trending line and break out today, especially after the opening. This trending line, you know, markets were algo driven. Algo driven. 10 minutes to go when the market opens.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. Good morning, welcome guys. Putting the stop loss there. We gotta give the profits back because the consistency for the top one futures. At some point we had 6,000 or what was it? Way too much. The retracement is pretty aggressive here. We had so many chances of actually bouncing. That 50s could have held. But you see right now a movement above 62. Above this top right here is breaking the structure. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We're having our giveaway.
Order filled.
We got stopped out here. But this is the place we got to get stopped out. We need to lose this money. We have too much. We've made too much. And we need to lose it for consistency problems. Once again today, guys, massive achievement. On Ticktick, we got our 5th point. 2 more points needed and we take $10,000 payout. And a good trading over here as well. 463 the second day, 2 accounts. Will it go back from here? All the way back? Above the 80s? I'll leave it open. We're gonna have fun watching this. Everyone like the video. And be subscribed. Coupon code Scramble pretty much everywhere. Look at the Savius promotion. We're gonna start trading Savius soon. Let me open up Quant Tower. This is our Discord community. Make sure to join us. Come on, touch that loss. We need it. Looks like we have a temporary possibility here of support. If we don't lose 33. About a fully retrace. Look at that.
Order filled.
And finally, great. We still need to lose more. I'll celebrate this, guys. Because we still need to lose more 120 bucks. We're going to lose more 120. But we're going to celebrate. And it's one of the few times you celebrate when you lose. Boom. Great time. You know, we're just going to do one contract and obviously long the markets here. We still want to lose like 130 bucks.
Order filled.
There you go. We've lost it. We're fine on 547. Just as much as we need. But the retracement here is so silly. What are they doing with the price section? Indeed. Could be an interesting spot here to test out along. Let's go, guys. We're copy trading on 3 accounts. Two contracts long, 2 minis long on our Savius. Savius 150k. It's just, this is what we're trading right now. 60% off with my code, 150k, 256 bucks, instant funded. The payout is 2,700. The net payout. Stop loss and break even. Let's go all the way back to $62. We're not selling before. Make some good money. If it has strength, we will make some good money. We have pretty strong directional moves today. And I'll tell you, once it starts moving to the upside, based on the trend we had to the downside and the price action structure, once it starts moving today to the upside, it's going to stick to that aggressively. So be careful. Let me make sure you guys see the balance properly. 500 bucks already. Yes, I'm going to trade my Klein fundings. I just have to set it up. But I'm certainly not an expert into day trading for the cryptos. I'm just way more inexperienced than in the futures right now. I think I'm much better at the futures than in crypto day trading. Yes, this is Quant Tower and we're trading it for Savius. But we're going to trade on Klein funding, the one that we filmed. We're going to trade with them. I still have to set up my accounts on Bybit. For Bybit, for anyone that is restricted on Bybit, you gotta utilize VPN. Sign up for the Bybit. No KYC needed. Just sign up VPN, generate your API, and connect your API connections with Klein funding, and you're good to go from there. Yeah, Claim is having a lot of the good options. It's the latest video I made, and you can see that on my channel. Right, so you gotta go bybit.com with the VPN and enjoy the ride from there. But you need a VPN, certainly. Yeah, there is many options basically for cryptos, but we're specifically speaking of Claim Funding, which is having their trading platform on Bybit. Claim Funding is having their platform for Bybit. Great. Beautiful. Yeah, Claim Funding is having their platform Bybit, and you're connecting the API, and you can trade your prop firm accounts on Bybit. It's very interesting. I'm not going to add to this, but this could be a place to DCA if it wants to go to the upside. We actually had a 1 minute trend to the downside, out of which broke. We could actually deliver more right now. And stick to the plan. So a lot of the people prefer trading on Lucid, which is an amazing company out there. I just saw the chocolate. I'm adding to this, guys. I'm adding them putting the stop loss break even. Time to turn the candle green. This is Quantower for Savius. Not yet. We didn't have snow. Easiest rules for payout. Lucid. And Ticktick as well. Lucid and Ticktick. But when it comes down to the amount of money you're receiving on payout, Lucid is basically the most money. On Ticktick, you're receiving $1,000 for the highest instant funded, which is the 100K. While in Lucid, you receive $3,000. So there is a gap between 1,000 and 3,000. We touched the break even, and I bet the market is just you're gonna rip to the upside from now. I'm reopening my position, guys, because of the rejection we had here, and I'll put a stop loss below, and I'm gonna let this one run to the top side. That's a massive rejection. Looks like the market makers were hunting me. Thank you. Look at that. They were hunting me, guys. Yeah, Lucid is better, guys, than Tradeify. Lucid right now is one of the best. Yeah, I know Tradeify, yeah. I know them since they got live. Tons of people these days moving towards Lucid. Major. Yeah, it pays more. Tap one. They will have something new, and I'll announce it on my channel. Tap 1 Futures will have an announcement today. If everything is sorted out in the back end, they will have an announcement. And I'll have a biggest discount existent. I'll give you 57.5% discount. With my code. But as soon as that campaign starts, Putting the break even right there, guys. Let's make some money. With Tap 1, the discount is going to increase, guys. I know some things. We're waiting for their updates. I'm not allowed to see it exactly what is it. I'm not allowed to tell you yes or no if you're asking me. But Tap 1 is preparing something. And it should be live today. Attached to that, when the update is going to be made, the coupon code will be 57.5, a major update. As the highest discount existent for the Tap 1. Do you guys remember when I introduced Tap 1 futures and you made $5,000 payout in an account? Do you guys remember? And you were allowed to have 3 accounts and you were cashing out 15 grand. The current accounts and Tap 1 futures are not limited edition. The current accounts are continuous edition. There's a bunch of you that made a lot of the money during that period where Tap 1 was throwing money out. 5 grand on a payout. No idea at the opening. But certainly today I would incline for a movement to the upside. Throughout the entire session, I would say. But certainly at the opening you gotta be careful. So Lucid is instant funded is basically 30% right now on the Lucid Direct, 30%. They do have other discounts for the tests. They're a little bigger, but this promotion is lasting until 26th of November. What's going to happen after 26th is something we have not been informed. We don't know. We don't know. We have not been informed. Well, probably you're going to have some crazy and nice discounts at the end of the day, yeah. We got stopped out on break even. I think we're going to run this one back. I'll get back in an entry. Twice we had good profits and I didn't accept it less. Could have made $500 to $600 each time. 5 minutes, I'll go. Could have made $500 to $600 each time. Really nasty price action. It's not easy to trade it. Testing out a little short here, but certainly not now. $500 here. Let me lock myself out of this. We do have another account here of Ignite. We're very close to today's low right before the opening. What does it mean, guys, when we're in such position? Very close to today's low, Monday low, weekly low. Nasty price action. No, Tradeify is 90 to 10 payout. 90 to 10. They have a profit split. Lucid is not having a profit split up to $10,000. And most of the time, much better at prices. Much better at prices. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Also, join our Discord. If you want to participate in the giveaways, you gotta do it. Join the Discord. You know, I would love to sweep this one and go higher, certainly. More expensive after a discount, correct, most of the time. More expensive and less on the payout. Savvy is $256 for the 150k. Payout 3,000, but there is a profit split 90 to 10, so you get 2,700. And you paid 256. There is 60% discount. 256. And we just broke below. We made a new low. I'm adding a contract here on 25,000. Right before the opening. On an Ignite account. I'm also opening a trade on my Quant Tower. The daily loss cannot be removed. It's a hard breach. So you gotta put a stop loss, otherwise you lose the account. Right? Your daily loss is $2,000 on the 150k, and you should put your stop loss on 1,500. You should leave $500 in between that. They cannot remove the daily loss limit hard breach with this prices. If they remove that, they have to put the accounts at $500. 1 minute to go, right? So basically that daily loss limit is allowing them to discount the account from 500 to 250. Think about it. That's what makes them the money. The daily loss limit hard breach. $30 seconds to go here. So if you know how to pass that, I mean, just consider it as a soft breach at 1,500, and it's not gonna bother you. No. Tap on futures is soft breach. Lucid is soft breach. 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. We're having an opening trade. Here we go, guys. Let's find it out. I'm adding to this.
Filled.
And I'm risking a lot. My stop loss is at 1,000. It's preset, 1,000. So if we dip further, I'll get burned. We only... We might get stopped out on 1,000.
Order filled.
Yeah. We gotta flatten this. 1,500 down. Watch this one being pushed all the way back. Stop loss on my entry. Come on, guys. Give me the 100s. I'm happy to take that 100s. We accepted earlier a loss because we were close to a risky level. And now we got back in a nice trade. Stop loss and break even.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Come on. Keep it going. We have a other Ignite version number 2 account. Open it up, guys. 2,800. We only need $500 here as well. We're making too much money. But I'm leaving it open. Closing it out right now. 4,450 on a new Ignite account on which we were down. It's Ignite version number 2. It's not actually a bot account. 4,450. We got in a quick long there. And let me see what's happening on our Quant Tower. Oh, with a single contract we have $2,000. I'm out. So we have $413 there. Fireworks time. Hey. Oh. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. I'm longing it again. We don't need that much here. We don't need that much. Good job, guys. We don't need that much here, so I'm longing it. Putting a break even there. I don't want to lose. Like, let me make some nice money today. All the way back to the resistance, guys. To the resistance of the trending. Close to the 100s. We got to the trailing. Great comeback. We were down 1,500 and we put it back into a profit of $400, right, for the
order filled.
3 minis long. Putting the break even there. Let me just have fun and see how much money we can do. Let's make another $2,000. Look at that one, guys. Keep going. I'm out.
Order filled.
$6,000. 6,000 babies. What's going on? What you doing, guys? $6,000. We're touching the resistance line. I am shorting. $6,000. Right here, I'm shorting.
Filled.
I'm shorting 3 minis short. We have a lot of the room to lose, guys. A lot of the room. We don't need that much money as we made.
Order filled.
I'm shorting 5 minis short. Look at that. There's so much room here to lose. Incredible. And we're out.
Order filled.
$1,400. $1,400 profit. We're out to 7,400. Boom. Pump it, guys. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Let's go. We made money out of the short, and now the price action is forcing to break out of this trending line. Pump it up. Russell's 2000. S&P is going to get nasty today. We broke out. We're touching the daily opening around the 40s quite soon. You got to pump it up. You got to make more than 7,400. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. It's still running to that daily opening on the 40s. Everyone is shorting the 40s, right? We have 180 points pump. Everyone is shorting the 40s. And they're going to get hit. The market is going a couple of points more than the daily opening. And then it's dumping. Let's go. 7,400. The consistency on this Ignite version number 2 account is 15%. Let me know how much money do I need to do. Do the math quickly. 15% consistency on the 7,400. 5 minutes short,
Order
guys.
filled.
5 minutes short. All the way back into the daily VWAP here. 200 EMA. This is nasty. BTC. What happens with the Bitcoin, guys? It just pumped $1,000 out of the nowhere like that. What is it wrong with it? 5 minutes short, guys. Send it here. Send it all the way to the daily opening, 140s. Putting the break even. I don't want to lose. I'm a fanatic. I'm a fanatic right now. Nothing rational. It comes down to my brain. We're making money. Let me get out. 1,000. What was that? 1,700. $9,200 profit. Let's go. Do the math. 15% consistency. Let me know, guys. Do the math. %, consistency, 9,200. Do the math, please. You know, we're reshorting this.
Order filled.
We're reshorting this because this candle can very easily be nicely in red. Nicely in red. You know how long? I don't mind losing. You know how much? $8,000. I don't mind losing $8,000. I don't mind. $60 grand to get to the payout. 60 grand. So let's just lose something. At some point, we're going to lose, right? Here is it. I'm shorting my Quant Tower. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I don't think so. I'll cut my short here. We lost 200 bucks. We gotta lose this money, guys. I don't have any trading because I don't need this much money, guys. It's like 1,000 or 1,500 on this account. I don't want to make 60 grand to take out 1,000. Oh my god, 157 points with 9 minis? No, you're crazy, man. You gotta make some chocolate surprise. Look at that, scramble. Fine Hungarian chocolate. Look at that one, guys. Pretty scary, right? I wouldn't eat from there. I'm sorry. This is going up, guys. This is making us money because we gotta lose. Crypto prop firm is so pricey. Well, let's talk about, guys. In the crypto space, people do not know how to make money from prop firms. Futures traders on stocks usually are much better than the crypto traders. And the crypto environment is not really having competition. Is not really having. So prop firms take advantage. The next thing. So the first argument is no competition, poor competition. The second thing is, in crypto, you have no consistency for instant funded. And you can let your winner run in a day and make 10 grand in a day, because that's how the nasty wild Bitcoin is doing. You guys know Bitcoin is doing 5% in a day. If you put that on 5x leverage, that's 25%. If you have a 50K account, you're making a lot of money in your first day. In your first day. So you buy instant funded from Klein. Watch the last video. I guess I'll make 2 grand here. Guess what? I'll make that 2 grand.
Order filled.
You know, we got stopped out on break even, but I'm buying back into
Order
a short
filled.
here. I'm reshorting this. I should have sold there. Make sure to like the video, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, and join the giveaway. I don't mind losing at the same time, but you know, I don't want to spend. I'll have a trade running. Of course, we're not going to sit on the live stream till I lose 9 grand. We just got to get into 240s and we lose $8,000. Can we do it? Yeah. 10K in profits, and then we nicely play how to lose it. We made some money on Quant Tower. We're up 400 bucks. I don't know if we get below the daily opening for Nasdaq. If I want to make more money, I just have to long this. But we'll see. We'll see, guys. You know, the ones that are joining the stream and they got no idea, they think I'm crazy. Having a stop loss on 8,000 and a take profit on 2,600, they think I'm gonna be the worst trader, right? Correct. Lucid Pro and Direct. No test. No consistency on test. No consistency on test. You take it and you pass your challenge in a day if that's what you want to do. But you got to be careful, of course. You got to be careful. You got to pump it up. Come on, let's lose that 8 grand. We don't need it. Let's lose. We made 1,300 on my Quant Tower in the meantime. Look at this one, guys. 1,300. It's feeling good. Daily net P&L. You know? Giveaway starts soon. Couple of minutes, guys. Let the markets run to my target. 241 is my target. 8 grand down. Ignites are the hardest thing existing on the planet. On the planet Earth. But the Lucid trading account, 66 bucks for $1,000 payout. Let me do the math. You buy 5 accounts. 5 times 66. You know how much is? 330, and your payout is 5 grand. A lot of the people got today the 150k Lucid Direct. Let's go, guys. We need that $8,000 loss. We need that. Beautiful price action. BTC, my boy, Ethereum, everyone is pumping. We need to lose money, guys. We need to lose. We've made too much. You get maximum contracts as soon as you're funded. Maximum. No scaling. No scaling on Lucid. Payout in a few minutes. You're just about to finish requesting your payout and the money is already in your account. You're gonna get scared by the money coming in so quickly, guys. You're gonna get scared by it. You think you're gonna... You feel like you got hacked or something. Just won the lottery or something like that. Money comes out of the nowhere. Like you're not even expecting it. Couple of minutes and you get paid. It's a too aggressive payout, let's put it that way. They scare the out of you. Let's go, guys. Come on. We gotta lose. We gotta lose. What if I would have been in along here? We would have had 15 grand right now. I'm done trading on Quantower, not opening anything anymore. 1,300, it remained the same thing. Didn't touch that one anymore. Nice breakout here on the Nasdaq. Absolutely lovely. Bullish day. That's why it was pre-openings, controlled and algo-driven like this. That's why. For us right now to break out and continuously smash. All the guys reshorting the structure aggressively got burned, and I tell you, there were many good fellas reshorting it based on what happened here. That's the trick of the markets. The psychology side. Come on, bring it up into the 40s. We need to lose that 8,000. We made too much for the consistency. Main strategy, trade and hope. Trade and hope. Come on. We're going to celebrate with a nasty fireworks show. Bring it up. What if I'm not going to get it touched that by a tick and then it drops back to 160's daily opening, guys? What if I mix my exit by a single tick? You know, I'll increase this. 8,300. Watch me escaping right now. Doing dirty things. You participate in the giveaway by signing up. Oh, you getting paid, guys. You get paid, workmate? Work market, right?
Order filled.
It's very good. Finally, it's very good. You receive the payout from work market to your bank account in 24 hours. It's like rice. With the only difference that you cannot cash out in crypto from work market. You need to send it to a bank account. It's working perfectly, guys. Perfectly. And the account creation for the work market is in a couple of minutes. 5 minutes. right? So it's a great company. For the prop firms, it's a great company. A bunch of the firms will move there. You get paid to your bank account. Simply, you send it over there. Yeah, I'm talking about the Lucid work market. Great, guys. So we touched the target here. We don't need more. We had a nice show, and it's time for the giveaway. It's time for the giveaway. It's time to celebrate with the wheel. With the wheel of power. With the wheel of great times. So listen, listen. Now, Lucid is within minutes, seconds. You actually get scared by the payment you receive. Like, you get the email and you don't believe it's real. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of... Today we made 15 grand and we had to lose it. Give it back to the market. It's because the consistency, equity, stability score. But it was a great day, guys. I'm so happy about the whole things. And especially we made money on Lucid. We made money on Savius. We made money on Tap One. We made money on Ticktick. How to participate? Well, first, at this point, you should have... not my birthday. I'll announce you when it's my birthday, guys, so you can send the gifts. Not to be confused, that's the only reason why I would do it. We're joking, right? You just purchase the Ticktick Trader accounts and Project X shows no data. Maybe you want to do this, right? So you have the auto button here. Auto fits data to screen. And then things might show up. Other than that, you might have to wait for a couple of minutes. If still nothing, drop me a message, direct message on my Discord. Drop me a direct message on Discord and I can help you. I'll reach out to the official guys, chiefs of support, and we'll help you with that. So, how to participate? Well, like the video. That's how you participate, guys. Like the video. Everyone, you gotta like the video. We're 177 on the stream and 145 likes. You gotta like the video quickly. Be subscribed to my channel. We're streaming daily from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Videos, trading, and a bunch of work. And the third thing is join the Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do. Absolutely mandatory. Plus, to be signed up on our giveaway. On the form, we're gonna verify there. Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. The first giveaway will be $50K Lucid test. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Guess the number between 1 and 9. Guess the number between 1 and 9. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Guess the number between 1 and 9. Like the video, subscribe, and be onboarded. Only 1 guess per person. $198 have signed up. 198 on the list for the giveaway. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses, guys. Stop right there. Shuffle a few times. And we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Let's go. This is not an easy ride. Between 1 and 9, a bunch of options. But that might be the red number 7. That might be the red number 7. Probably the luckiest number. And it's going to be the red number 7. I'm telling you 100%. It is the red number 7. Oh! It's number 5. Look at that. How is it possible, guys? You got ripped by the wheel. This is rigged. Oh my god. Is this one rigged? Will you take it? Alright. Let's find it out more for the winners. $37. Congratulations. 37, competing for 30 seconds. Shuffle. And we're going to spin. Yo, ducks right now. Best of luck, everyone. It must be rigged, right? Market makers now became wheel makers. It's broken for some, but it's certainly fixed for the others. 10 seconds to go. This is madness. Who's going to win the 50k Lucid account? Well, there you go. My Cuisine. Number 16. There you go. That's a great one. Let's find it out if you have signed up on the form. My Cuisine. Have you signed up on the form? We're going to search for your name. My Cuisine number 16. We got you. Congratulations. The $50,000 Lucid test account goes out to you. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord and careful about the scammers reaching back to you or things like that. No. Careful. Continuing with a second giveaway. For those of you that are fresh, like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Absolutely mandatory to be able to participate. Second giveaway will be $25,000. No. We actually have 2 giveaways today. I'm sorry. No. The second giveaway is the last. Second giveaway is the last. It's a 50k straight to funded plus Ticktick trader. Yeah, that's the one. Guess that's the number. Yep. Cuisine is out here. Yep. Your Cuisine. This is the last giveaway for today. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on, let's go, guys. Good luck, best of luck, everyone. $50,000 Ticktick trader straight to funded plus. Best of luck, guys. Thank you so much for joining and for watching. We had a lovely day. A lovely day. We might have a video on our channel today posted, but you're gonna get notified. We're gonna notify you on that. We're having to stop there. That's it. That's it, good guys. Shuffle a few times. Best of luck, everyone. You gotta be part of the duck race. Guess the number. 1, 2, 3. We got you. Pump it up, guys. We made so much today. And that might be... We have a double number 3 with red and blue after the number 1. Look at that. Can we get to that number 3 on red? Or do we stop here? I think we stop here. Hi, we got you. That was the number 1. Congratulations for the winners. Probably we're going to have a bunch of great fellas. Congratulations for the winners with the number 1. Look at that. 42 guys. 42. Ho ho ho, what happened with you? Only 42. 30 seconds competition time. But only 42, and I only gave you 3 options. With 9 options, you were 37. And with 3 options, you were 42. How many of you did you win for number 3, guys? Come on, 50k straight to Funded Plus from Ticktick Trader. Massive giveaway out here. Let's run through the waters. Keep going. Number 19. Donut is pumping. And I think we got a winner. Donut right there. Let's go. Let's find it out if you're on the list, Donut. Are you here? Yes, you are here. Great job. You're a confirmed winner. You are on the list. Congratulations. Congrats. $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to Funded Plus. Winners. Winners, direct message me. Everyone, make sure to join our Discord. That's the link right there for the Discord. Poor Ducks, Scramble Circus. Look at that. Hi. We have to play this one. We have to make such game somehow. Absolutely lovely. How much do you make, buddy? Do the math there. 150 points, 9 minis. Too much money. You gotta lose something today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely day out there. It's been my pleasure. Have fun. Enjoy your day. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Any issues, any situations on Discord, reach out to me. Biggest discounts, Scramble coupon code. You got the links